Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Which of the following is equivalent to square root of a plus square root of b whole to the power of 2/3, where a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. Okay, now we have to find the expression which is equivalent to this one, that is square root of a positive square root of b whole to the power of 2/3. Okay, now let me take the given expression, that is square root of a positive square root of b whole to the power of 2/3. Okay, now in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write, let me write it, square root of a positive square root of b whole to the power of. I'm going to write this 2/3 as 2 times 1/3, because the multiplication of the integer 2 and the fraction of 1/3 equals to 2/3, because 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 over 3. Okay, now so here at the exponent we have two values multiplied, 2 and 1/3. So whenever two values are multiplied at the exponent, one value can be taken as a first exponent, the second value can be taken as the exponent for the whole stuff. That is square root of a positive square root of b whole square whole to the power of 1/3. So I'm just using the property of exponent, that is, let's consider a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So here we have the base a and the exponent m, and for the complete stuff we have the exponent n. So whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents, that is a to the power of m times n. So I just use this property in reverse order. That is, here we have two values multiplied at the exponent. So I am taking this m as the first exponent for a, and for this complete stuff we can take the second value as exponent. Okay, now here we have a square of a binomial, because here two terms are added, so it's a binomial. For this binomial we have square. Okay, now let's consider the expansion of the square of a binomial, that is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So whenever we have a square of a binomial like this, a plus b the whole square, its expansion is a square positive 2ab positive b square. Okay, now our binomial is in this form, a plus b the whole square. At the place of a we have square root of a, at the place of b we have square root of b. Okay, now we have to write the same expansion over here, but wherever we find a, it has to, we have to use the square root of a at the place, and wherever we find b at the place we have to use square root of b. So because instead of a we have square root of a, instead of b we have square root of b. Okay, let me write the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. So square root of a the whole square positive 2ab. So 2ab means instead of a we have square root of a, instead of b we have square root of b positive, and for b square we have to take square root of b the whole square whole to the power of 1/3. Okay, now so this square root and square root cancel, the square root and square root cancel out. So I am getting a positive. So 2 times, whenever we multiply two square roots, we can take square root in common and we can multiply the values inside the square root. So then we get square root of ab. That is square root of a times square root of b equals to square root of ab positive, and we just get b over here whole to the power of 1/3. So this is a result I'm getting, this is the expression I'm getting equivalent to the expression square root of a positive square root of b whole to the power of 2/3, and I find this expression, that is a positive 2 times square root of ab positive b whole to the power of 1/3 in option C. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.